Hey, hi everyone. So this is I was going back from Mount Abu to Ahmedabad, and I was with my few of my friends. Asim was riding a bike with me. He had already left. I was trying to adjust my GoPro and mount it phone. As you can see, I started. Here I go. As you can see, the weather actually, Mount Abu is Rajasthan's only hill station, especially charming during the rainy season. The monsoon rain brings color, temperatures, mist over and lush green, transforming the landscape into refreshing oasis. Lucky Lake, the center of many activities, fills the stunning, surrounded by verdant hills and waterfalls. Look at the scenic view. This is looking so. While I was riding down the hill, and this feeling of was really amazing. These curvy roads. While the rain enhances Mount Abu's beauty, it's wise to carry waterproof gear and be cautious on slippery roads. The combination of scenic beauty and tranquility makes the monsoon a unique time to experience this hill station in its natural splendor. Here I go. I was trying to clean my camera, my GoPro again and again, but yeah, you can see people walking. These are very narrow roads. The only problem I see, you can call it a problem or it is uh, people want to enjoy it, but they were all, as you can see, the roads are already very very narrow, and it's a scenic view. I do acknowledge that. And what people usually do on these roads, they park their vehicles just by the side of the road, and they enjoy their time. They hardly care about the traffic, people coming, vehicles passing by. They are more into selfies and everything. But everyone is here to enjoy it, so everyone is like, let it be. They will leave the place in 5 to 10 minutes. I'm sorry for the video quality, as you can see. It started raining. Thankfully, I was already cleared up with the gadgets of mine. Here I am making a way for me. Slow. I think I am riding on the speed of I believe 30-40 kilometer per hour. Yeah. But those were very narrow roads. Not for the Himalayan. Yeah, but for the cars. Riding in the rainy season, especially in hilly areas like Mount Abu, can be a refreshing but challenging experience. I would definitely suggest check your bike. Make sure your bike brakes, tires, and lights are in excellent condition, as wet roads can affect traction and visibility. Ride slow. Wet road Wet roads can be slippery, especially around curves. Reduces speed help with control and let you react to unexpected obstacles like potholes or fallen branches. very important. Wear waterproof gears, good rainy jacket, waterproof gloves and boots will keep you comfort and dry. Use an anti-fog helmet, visor while for cleaning this for clear visibility. In this situation, I'm sorry I wasn't wearing a waterproof gloves. It was from the gloves which I'm wearing was from Royal Enfield, and just after I reaching to downside of the hill, I removed my gloves and found my hands are completely black in color. As you can see, police officials are also starting to manage the traffic and routing the upcoming traffic to right place. Yeah. So we were discussing about riding in Indian, right? Correct. What else? Maintain distance. Yeah, as you can see that I am maintaining a pretty decent distance. Wet roads increase braking distance. So keep extra space between yourself and vehicle ahead. And what else? Stay visible. Yeah, as you can see that my auxiliary lights were on. I'm not sure whether it is visible or not, but at the same time my hazard lights were on. So rain can reduce visibility, so use your lights and wear bright or reflective gears to ensure you are seen by the drivers. With these precautions, riding during the rainy season can be a memorable experience, offering scenic view and fresh air. Just be mindful of the challenges and stay prepared. Like the way it just happened. I'm lacking patience here. By the way, after this ride, the phone which is mounted here is iPhone 12, 28 GB, and post this ride, I had lost the clarity of rear camera of my phone. It isn't working anymore. It makes some sound whenever I open my camera. It makes some sound. I'll add the sound just a second. Here. So this is the kind of sound which it makes whenever I turn on the camera, and it constantly tries to focus. Let's see what we can do. I think I need to buy a new. Thank you everyone.